Are you getting less views? Are you worried that your YouTube channel is not at all growing? Are new to YouTube? If all these are yes, right now watch this content so that it might be helpful for you people to know why your channel is not growing. Let me tell you, first reason, as your channel is very new, the YouTube will not know who your audience are, so it won't promote those many people to watch your video. Let me tell you one example. So if you are very much new to the YouTube and you are not getting any click-through rates, that means CTR, which everyone speaks of in every YouTube like algorithm, and whatever the things they want in the video, they will show that there should be thumbnail, there should be CTR. But I'll let you know why exactly your channel is not at all growing. First point exactly is like CTR. Majorly, if your CTR is very low, no one will come and watch your video, and the YouTube will stop promoting once it arrives to 1400 feeds, short feeds, and no, if no one is watching, then no one will come to your channel and watch you. That's first point. So first you have to see whether your content is going through the audiences, whether they are clicking and seeing the content. That's the first point. And in no video, no one will say that you have to see your YouTube studio and check for the content analysis, how much the people are seeing it, how many people are skipping it. Depending on that, only YouTube algorithm will promote your channel. The second one is the audience are coming, but they are not at all engaging in your content. That means your content is very much bored and they don't want to listen to your content at all. And they want to skip the content and go away from your video. That's the second point which they want to avoid. That's the reason YouTube will not give the so much of publicity for your video to showcase your video. That's the second thing. And third thing is like the watch time. The watch time, how much audiences are really getting engaged in your video. If the complete video is seen by every other person, then your video will be like skyrocketed. If not, it will stop wherever it is. Coming to the fourth point, as you will be new and you don't know any content about YouTube, you will be searching on YouTube regarding the channels which promote the YouTube content itself, and spend the time whole on the YouTube content but not spend on your own channel to create the content. So if you concentrate on your own content and keep something which is really interesting to some other audiences, the audience who are interested really in your content will come to your content and see the content. If not, if they are not interested, if they are bored with the content which you are posting, they will not come at all. And coming to the thumbnail, whether it is good or bad, if your channel is new, the click through rates are little bit low itself. No one will come and click your channel and see the content if it is new channel, because there are no much subscribers. They might think that channel is little bit bored and we don't want to see that particular content. I'm not a celebrity, or I'm not having that much experience and exposure towards YouTube, but I just when I have started YouTube channel and observed about my kids content, and whatever the things which I have observed, I'm just showing all those analysis and everything to you people, to so that you will be at least showing love towards your videos and doing the content proper. Next, subscribing and not seeing the content. For example, if we are paying YouTube to promote our channel, to make subscribers itself, but those subscribers will come for you, but they will never watch your channel. So don't ever make a promotion to a YouTube by paying some amount. It will be waste, it won't be useful at all, because the people who will be subscribing will not love your content. They will only come and subscribe, they will never watch your video and come back again to your channel, whether you are posting a good content or bad content. They won't even think about seeing the content, whether it is good or not. So genuinely try from your side, from with your content, with your own content. Try new ideas, try which are not at all existing, and try with good keywords and with good titles, and just post the videos and see and wait. One more thing, I want to give one more input in this particular thing. Actually, when we are new and we'll be posting everyday video, but YouTube, as they don't know the audience, they want the algorithm to work on the audience. So YouTube will take minimum 2 days to reach the goal of the audience. I mean, whoever is searching this particular content, whoever is the audience for this particular content, it minimum takes 2 weeks, 2 days to 2 weeks also sometimes. So don't rush to post your content daily, regularly, and don't rush to post immediately, like whatever it may be. It might be shorts, or it might be long form videos, it might be any form. Don't push the content to the YouTube should recognize the content actually, and post it across the audience, and see how much they are getting engaged with the content, and it should really see the audience flow and everything. It should work on your video to make it promoted to some of the feeds, and test the video first. So I'll tell you how it will promote your video. First of all, first it will go to 100 audience, and show it in the feed. Depending on those views and how much time they have watched, it will give to another 100, and it will go like that. Like it will show till 1400 feed, 1500 feed. For first 1500 feed, if you get at least like 300 views and all, you'll get a good more and more feeds on your video. But if you don't get that feed, that shown feed by the YouTube, then you will not get. YouTube has to recommend your channel. You should not force YouTube to recommend your channel. It should come to you with love, and it should work for you, and it should promote for your channel. That's all from my side. These are my suggestions. If you want to just apply it. If you don't like it, it's your will and wish. That's all from my side. Thank you. Bye.